I'm Lori from the United States. I live in Colorado. I'm talking about St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, I'm from Somalia. Faisal, my name is.
I just talked to Abdi. He was from Somalia as well. He was the previous guest.
Okay, do you know Somalia language?
No,
Some of them.
I don't know the Somalian language, but I pick up languages very well.
Okay.
So, do you know anything about St. Patrick's Day?
No, I have no. But I wanted to ask, where are you, and what are you talking today? Information.
My information today is about St. Patrick's Day. It's a holiday. It's an Irish holiday.
It's holiday.
Yes.
Okay. I'm very happy to meet.
Nice to meet you as well. What do you do? Tell me about yourself.
I'm a student of university.
Oh, cool. Investing's cool.
Yes.
Are you bachelor's degree, master's degree? What is your area? Where are you at in your studies?
I am a bachelor degree. I learn what is a environmental health safety in public health.
I'm sorry?
Bachelor degree, bachelor.
Cool. Cool. Awesome. How
What?
other than going to school, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
Am I?
What are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
I'm happy to play football.
Do you mean soccer or do you mean American football?
No, football, sports.
Okay. I don't do soccer. I like volleyball. I like volleyball, but I don't do soccer. I like to swim and I like to do volleyball. I even scuba dive. Have you ever scuba dived? Have you ever swam underwater?
I don't like to swim, but I like to play football only.
Oh. I can't run. I'm old. I'm 54.
What?
I can't run. I'm old. I'm 54.
Okay, you like to run?
I like volleyball.
You like
volleyball. No, volleyball. I like to watch soccer, though. I like to watch soccer. It's a lot of fun.
Do you like to watch football?
Yes, I do. I have 7 brothers and 7 sisters. Yes, I like to watch all kinds of sports. We were our own sports team when we went to play in school. We all were on a team. So, anyway.
Mr. Lori.
Mm-hmm.
Which team do you support?
I'm sorry? What?
Oh, eyeglass.
Yeah, I wear eyeglasses.
You're very nice.
Oh, thank you. Getting a headache reading the comments.
Do you like to come to Somalia?
The place that I would love to go to would be India.
India.
Because I'm Indian. You got to follow my train of thought. Because I'm Indian, and I would like to go to India because I've read about it since I was 3 years old. And then I would also like to go to Spain and Italy.
Why do you like to come to Somalia?
Because I don't know a lot about Somalia, but Morocco would be a nice place to go as well.
Because Somalia is a beautiful country.
I know it's beautiful. It's by the Indian Ocean. I know it's beautiful.
Okay. Today is your holiday.
Yes, it's St. Patrick's Day. Do you know about St. Patrick's Day?
Sam?
Do you know about St. Patrick's Day?
No, I don't know.
My name is Lori Langford, Carla. Oh, you're talking to Farouk. I'm sorry. Anyway.
Mr. Lori.
Yes.
Do you have any husband or any children?
I am happily divorced. What? I'm happily divorced. And I lost. Yeah, and I lost two. I lost a little boy and a little girl.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a wife? It's okay. It happens. Do you have a wife? Are you married?
No. I have not married. I am still. I'm still have no married. I'm not married.
Oh, okay.
But I like to marry after 6 years ago.
Oh, you were married before?
6 years.
Oh, cool.
Because now I am a student of university. If I finish at our university, after that, I will marry.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck. I hope you find somebody special.
Thank you.
But in the meantime, you have to learn English. And I'm a native speaker, so in the meantime, you have to learn English, and I'm a native speaker. So I can help you out.
Oh. Mr. Lori.
Yes, sir?
Do you know some of Somalia language?
No.
How do you see if we tell some of them?
Yatahe.
What?
Aho. Nanamana Shinana.
What the language?
Acoma. Native American.
American language?
Native Indian American.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Mona. Nice to see you. Anyway, the topic is St. Patrick's Day. Do you know about St. Patrick's Day?
No, I don't know. I don't know St. Patrick's Day.
It's an Irish holiday from Ireland. And as you can see, I'm probably, I look a hot mess right now, but I have Irish blood in me, and we celebrate it. We celebrate the holiday, and it's St. Patrick was a priest that passed away in Ireland, and there was a lot of people that celebrated his life. And he passed away March 16th, and families got together and had corned beef and cabbage, and they drank sometimes, if that's what they like to do. And You had good food and good family and good friends, and you had a good time, and it's a holiday.
Okay, Mr. Rory, do you have a boyfriend?
No, why? I don't know. No, I don't want one. No.
Why?
Anyway, we're not talking about boyfriends or relationships. We're talking about St. Patrick's Day.
But I don't know some Patrick, but I ask some information about you.
So anyway, I answered the information. So what would you like to talk about?
How do you see if you learn some of Somalia language?
I have so many languages in my mind that I'm not learning a language. I'm not learning a language right now.
Okay.
So
I salute you. I salute you, Mr. Lorry.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So you like to play soccer and you're studying investment, and you're studying investment, right? Your major is investment?
I study environmental health and safety, public health.
Oh, public health. I'm sorry, I misunderstood public health. Oh, that's cool. We could talk about public health because I know about public health. I have public health experience.
Oh, thank you.
So what would you like to talk about public health?
Public health.
Yeah, talk about public health.
No, there is no talk about public health, but public health is a program to learn in university.
For environmental causes.
It's not language.
Do you know that they're trying to create for the ocean? They're trying to create for the ocean because there's so much trash going into the ocean, killing sea life.